How to redeem DSW gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem DSW gift card online. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to dsw.com. Here, make sure to sign into your account. Now explore the website and find the items you want to purchase. Then click on this bag icon to add them to your bag. Now click on the bag option and from here you can proceed to checkout. Now, on this checkout page, you want to fill up all the necessary information. So go ahead and enter your contact details and your shipping address. Once that is done, click on the continue to payment option. Now on the next page, you will have to enter your payment method. If you have any offers, you have the option to enter your promo codes. Now to enter your gift card, you have the gift card section. Here, click on the add gift card option. Now on this pop-up box, you want to enter the gift card number. After that, you want to enter the 4-digit PIN. If you do not find the PIN, you want to scratch off silver sticker on the back of the card to view the PIN number. Make sure that both the information you enter is correct. Now click on the redeem gift card option. If the information you have entered is correct, your gift card will be successfully redeemed. Now you can proceed to enter your payment details. Then click on the continue to review option and proceed to checkout. And in this way, you can redeem the DSW gift card online. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.